Uh-oh, you dropped it. Oh. I think she has a clothes issue.
Pajamas?
Lena, is it pretty? Is it pretty? Yeah. Let's see what she does here. Lena, how about this one? No, you can't touch this one. This one's white. So I'm not letting go of my clothing. All right, we'll get it. We'll get it. I promise. Don't worry, we're getting it.
Torture my child.
Oh my gosh. Cracking me up. She's like, you're not taking it.
Grandma not allowed to take that away from you?
No, and then I'm going to chew on the hanger. Don't chew on the hanger, honey. Yeah.